Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find luxury hotels on Booking.com in 2026. So if you're looking for 5-star stays, premium resorts, or high-end hotels, yeah, this guide will help you find them quickly. First, go to Booking.com official website in your browser. This is where you can search all types of hotels worldwide. Next, type your destination city or country. So choose where you want to stay, like Dhaka, Dubai, or London. Now apply the star rating filter. I mean, select 5-star hotels to see luxury options only. So yeah, also filter by guest rating or top reviewed hotels. This helps you find high-quality luxury stays. Next, sort results by price from high to low. This will bring the most premium luxury hotels to the top. Finally, open a hotel listing and check photos, amenities, and reviews. So luxury hotels usually offer pools, spas, and premium services. And that's how to find luxury hotels on Booking.com in 2026. Once you use the filters properly, you can easily discover the best premium stays anywhere in the world. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more travel tutorials. Hey everyone, in this